Namaskar. Today we will discuss on some different topic. Today's topic is face yoga. Face yoga is an art and science of a facial yoga, an innovative therapy to good health and beauty. Face yoga, originally written by me and presented at Sanskrit International Conference at Tirupati Vidyapit in the year 2009. Since this paper was in Sanskrit, I have given a title to it as Sarveshu Angeshu Shirapradhanam, meaning our head is the most important part of our body. Afterwards, I have presented the same paper at the International Conference of Commonwealth Countries, Sydney, Australia, in the year 2010 and conducted 2 workshops, that is pranayam and face yoga demonstration. Afterwards, many TV and radio interviews were performed and presented. Let us see what it means. Face yoga is an entirely new outlook on ancient time-tested technique of the Patanjali Yoga only. It is a revolutionary approach to good health and beautiful looks. The above mentioned Subhashit stresses the importance of the face and head in the human body. All the sense organs, that is known as the Jnanendriyas, in the human body are present on the face. All the organs of the sight, hearing, taste, touch, speech, breathe are located on the face. Important functions, that is known as the kriyas, like eating, chewing, speaking, as well as the emotions like smile, cry, laugh, grimace are also focused in this region only. Functions like coughing, sneezing, hiccuping and yawning are the kriyas that discard unwanted toxins and foreign bodies. These are also centered on the face only. The words like mukhiya and mukhya are originated from the Sanskrit word mukha, that is known as a face. Let us now look at the face from the different angle. There are many little known exercises of the face, head and face and neck. Gravity and age causes the facial muscles to lose their tone and elasticity. The modern medicine gives us the techniques of the face sculpting via plastic surgery and other invasive and non-invasive means. These are both artificial and very expensive. Indian medicine, that is Ayurveda, and specially yoga exercises prescribes vyayam, that is exercise, pranayam, breathing techniques, asanas, postures, bandha, neuromuscular locks, kriya, actions, mudra, hand and facial gestures are the simple, dynamic, inexpensive and result-oriented techniques. I have separated important exercises along with the breathing techniques, massage, pressures, packs, mask and total care related to the face, named it as a face yoga. Face yoga deals with the anatomy of a facial muscles, bones, nerves, tissues, the muscular The muscles of the neck and face are systematically classified into the various sections. Scottish Dr. Bells have found that there are 2 main veins from the skull entering the area behind the ear and have many small branches to it. If it is ruptured or swollen, one gets a facial palsy. These exercises are very effective treatment for those who are suffering from the Bell's palsy, and more important is to prevent it. I have chosen simple, effective and time-tested and self-experimented techniques to tone up muscles. Each exercise needs barely 30 seconds. I shall explain it in detail. The various muscle groups around the neck, head, forehead, eyes, ear, mouth, cheek, chin, jaw, shoulder are usually least exercised. we are generally give exercise and importance to the exercise to the abdominal and hand and leg exercises. Face yoga and netra yoga are effectively exercises those muscles with the added benefit of the good health and good looks. Face yoga employs specific sense to organs and enhance their use and capability. As a human body, it ages or due to some genetic or accidental handicap, our some senses grow dull and weak over time. Face yoga is an ideal way to regain the sharpness and acuity of the same. These are special branches like there are special branches like speech therapy, psychotherapy, etc. In fact, there is a separate Upanishad known as a Chakshushopanishad which gives remedy to eyesight problems and diseases. We have concept known as a Divya Drushti. Today's medicinal practitioners and beauticians can really benefit through face yoga. A supportive diet, beauty products with a simple homemade ingredients, exercise with pranayam, acupressure, uttering the specific phonetics, detoxification, vaporing, icing, rubbing, patting, scratching, scrubbing, cuddling, combing, pulling, stretching are the actions adjacent of the face yoga which will help us to retain good health eternally as well as extremely youthful beauty for a long time. India is the pioneer yoga in the world. Let us have youthful and charming face with the healthy muscles and tissues, sharp brain, excellent emotional quotient and pure pronunciation as expected in the Sanskrit, as well as a clear voice and accent. It is acquired by facial yoga. I have put together a series of the simple and result oriented exercises along with the pranayam, and above mentioned practices gives a complete workout to head, face, neck and shoulder in the real natural makeover. It is a real natural makeover. I have aptly named it as a facial yoga. Miss Universe is original Indian ancient concept known as a Mahatripura Sundari. As it is originally written in the Sanskrit, let me conclude with the Sanskrit as Samadhanaya Saukhyayo Nirogatvaya Jivane Asya Yogachare Nityam Asya Vyadhi Vinashanam. Dhanyavadaha.